Imagine carrying an electric scooter in your pocket. This tiny but incredibly powerful device completely changes the way you travel around the city and on short distances. It boots up in minutes and reaches speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour. It can operate everywhere from battlefields to disaster areas. It surprises with its high maneuverability and can carry heavy loads safely. It works like a fine work of art, even on surfaces as hard as rock. Able to cut through all kinds of hard materials, from quarries to blocks of marble, this giant saw is a favorite of the industrial world. This technological marvel hand takes a giant leap for humanity. Far beyond traditional prosthetics, this bionic hand works like a robot hand. It restores precise movements, strong grip, and even the sense of touch. This machine cuts through solid metal and wire like paper. These industrially revolutionary cutters are the perfect combination of power and precision. Steel, iron, wire, whatever. Enerpack blades handle it all with ease. Titan Leaf Solution offers an incredible solution that sweeps and collects all the leaves in seconds. Imagine, with a huge vacuum power, it quickly collects every leaf that falls on the ground and keeps your garden always clean. This huge machine revolutionizes the way logs are transported and stacked. Its huge arms easily grip and carry heavy logs. This powerhouse combines speed and precision. Hydraulic powerful robot arm. This incredible technology not only lifts heavy loads with ease, but can also do even the most delicate tasks with incredible precision. This gigantic machine transforms steel into a work of art. The metal is forged at high temperatures and shaped in the hands of these incredibly powerful machines. Getting stuck in traffic? No longer a problem. Moving silently and easily covering long distances with its powerful engine. The e-bike combines the pleasure of riding with technology. This solar-powered barbecue uses the power of nature to give you amazing flavors. No need for electricity, gas, or coal, just sunlight. This innovative window system puts light and heat completely under your control. With a special design that opens and closes like the pupil of an eye, Iris Window allows you to adjust the amount of light and temperature entering your home as you wish.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Meet this technological marvel, the future of hats. There is an LED screen on the front of the hat you wear that displays your personal messages, animations, and visuals. A design marvel of the 1930s, this vehicle revives the spirit of an era with its incredible engineering and iconic design. This small but powerful machine combines speed and fun. Designed like a miniature racing car, the cycle cart is a masterpiece that you can assemble and use with your own hands.